welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Thank you so much for tuning in. Gorgeous, you're welcome. You're in the right place. Before we even start, compliment of the season. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, gorgeous, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button, join the gorgeous family, and click on the like button if you like this video. And also, gorgeous, share, okay, and leave your comment. Share to your friends, share to your loved ones. Thank you so much for doing that. And to my OGs, I love you. Thank you for always sticking by. So today I'm revealing some synthetic wig from Shein. In case if you like all this wig, there's a discount code that you're going to use that you will get some percentage off. Don't hesitate to use it. It is 24 Chelsea Q4. 24 Chelsea Q4. It will be on the screen and it will also be on the description box. So all the links to the wigs I want to share with you guys today will be on the description box. Look at my head. Ooh, the head is small. It will be on the description box. Okay, don't hesitate to check it out in case if you're interested. They are affordable and they are bomb. So with all that being said, let me show you guys the wigs. 3. So I'm going to bring them out for you guys to see right away and pop the 3 on for you guys to see. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at that. You see the hairline. Oh, this is so gorgeous. And see the color. 30 inches? No, you're joking. You can't tell me that this is 30 inches. See, they said it's 30 inches. Really? Wow. It's 30 inches. So guys, look at the hairline. You can see the lace. Guys, this one is 44 inches. You can see it here, 44 inches, and it's bangs. You can see it, 44 inches. See how long it is. All right, let's pop this on and see. Long. You see it? 44 inches. It's so long. Alright guys, let's try this one on.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. La 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. Fa la 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 la. See the blazing Yule before.
So because this place is thick, I'm just going to put the foundation here. Okay, so that we don't see that thickness. So guys, that is it for this one. See? Oh, as I put the foundation in the center, it makes the difference. I love it. Yeah. Wow. I love this one. Okay, let's try the last one. So this is the inside. Alright, let's wear it. I think I'm going to use the wastick on the middle like this. You can see that it's brown. I'm just going to use foundation. I think that's all I need to do. Wow, the hair is so soft. You see that? See as I'm combing through it. Okay. See that? It's not tangling. And this is synthetic wig. This is synthetic. So I'm going to cut the excess lace from this. We're going to do the test of my hot comb, if this is going to pass the hot comb. Oh yeah. Guys, that is it. You can see this one. I really love this one. The texture don't look like synthetic at all. It's so soft. See, just little tangle, okay, but see it. Wow, this is so beautiful. This is my favorite among all. I really love this one. So gorgeous, that is it. I'm going to leave the link on the description like I said, and don't hesitate to use the code that is here, you're seeing right here, to get some percentage off. And I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Compliment of the season once again to you and your family. Enjoy the holidays, okay, and always remain gorgeous.